Gonna do the Hogwarts dance now?
I want red. You can't even.
I'm about to cut out. I'm about to cut out. I cast a spell. Why are you so far away?
What the hell? I'm scared. Justin, how does it go out?
Who won? Hi.
Oh shit, what'd I do?
Put it down.
Justin, you had time to say that whole sentence of shit what I do. Dude, do you even know what you lighted? Hey.
I'm rapping with Joy. Throw it. Motherfucking bitch.
I like how I got bigger. Do the fire dance.
We're gonna do it right, and I'm rapping pretty good. The fire's going.
Okay, Dusty, not Dustin.
That's how I like my
I don't
marshmallows.
know what I'm saying. You don't know the game that I am trying to play in. Oh!
I love how we can see everyone now, unlike the earlier.
I'm going down to that way in the cloud.
Hey, you see me?
Yes, I can.
That's how cool.
Alright, let's go. Let's wrap down.
Come on, Grim, make them s'mores.
Oh, yeah, but I gotta
I love it.
you. Then make me one.
Okay.
Thank you.
You want to?
No, fuck you. No, fuck you too.
You're mean.
Joy's fucking number there talking about me for. Well, you know, Dustin.
Oh, yeah.
You don't know what you're saying because you know this is the game that I'm playing.
Oh, wow.
This fire's getting hectic in here.
Stop walking at everyone.
You stop rapping?
Help me, man. I'm so confused. Look. That's it.
What? This is the best idea anyone could make.
That's when I'm gonna laugh when your watch falls down. You're
not
looking
gonna-
really stupid. You look like a clown.
No, I don't.
That's following me.
No, it's not.
I ain't saying the same words, bitch, because I'm big.
Alright, cool.
You can't have your cake and eat it
Make me lift
too.
weights.
Joy, you're so dumb sitting over there texting. You should be hanging out with us and chillaxing.
Yeah, shut the fuck
Keep
up.
the
I'm
rapping.
just trying to get good. I can't even because you guys be putting me down.
Is it because of that fighting movie tonight?
Doing a good trick. Can you stop mine?
Fighting movie? Fighting it? Oh, fuck.
That's really gross, Joy. You just took the ground. Thanks.
Is that mine?
You don't have a crown.
No, it's mine. I
Yeah.
fucked up. I broke the graham cracker in half. Oh, you want this?
No.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
I mean, give me a bite.
Here, you can have a bite.
This one's not even toasted.
That was my finger. Fuck, this is why I like Mexican food.
Friday between you.
I hate working for my food.
Here you go.
Okay.
See, Tony's got more balls than you do.
I got more balls than you do.
Watch
Ew,
this.
I don't want
No,
that.
I'll do better. Fuck that. No, watch this. I'll show you how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh shit, right here.
Hey, Joya. Hello. It's cold in the pond. I'm cool, you guys. Pack up and go.
Yeah, I did it.
Blow on it or not.
I ain't getting
That's not what I meant, Dustin.
Here you go. 1 toasty marshmallow. Who wants this?
Me.
You want it? Okay.
Make sure there's a lot of chocolate.
You want chocolate? What chocolate on s'mores?
At least 2 bars.
I don't think I can because mine.
There's hardly chocolate in the other time. Wait, what book is that? You're not even me.
Called Alan's Foreskin. The much traveling cup. That's why I hate books. I can't read.
You fell.
Fuck.
Stop.
That's why I read newspapers.
Nothing wrong with you.
You can't even read in this dark, dude. We need more light.
Hanging out at the bonfire. It's gonna be cool because this is what we desire. No!
Yeah. Away.
getting big, you're gonna look back
It looks
just
weird.
like a pig.
The newspaper.
More
I know.
all day and
What if we throw just one whole box?
wow, just you drop half of it in the fire.
Get it!
Get it!
Yeah.
Corner.
It's on the corner over there.
Corner. Inside.
Oh. Hold on, read the instructions.
It says light 'em. I don't know. It just says light 'em. You pull them, pulling forward.
Away from the face, Dustin. Oh, wow!
My eye! Oh, fuck!
Are you serious, Dustin? Don't scare! Hey!
I tricked you guys.
I tricked you.
April Fools.
Close your
Oh
eyes.
shit, run.
What did it do?
Yeah. Watch this now. Yeah.
The whole box?
Watch out, Dustin.
Get out, get out, get out now!
Oh crap.
No, don't do it. What if you got your pants caught on fire?
I want an action jump.
This is just cheese around your other arm. Yay. Yay.
Woo!
Yay.
Woo!
Write something. Write something.
What?
Write something. Dustin. Fuck you.
Ow, fuck!